Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that after a big technical correction, gold is right now trading around 4700. So yesterday when we were discussing about gold, it was trading around 4800. Okay, when we were discussing about gold yesterday, and yesterday we spotted this the formation of lower high here. So we also discussed the possibility of a technical correction, but to be honest, we were not expecting this amount of downfall on the chart of gold. Okay, but still, okay, I told you guys that in case of a bigger correction, we can buy around 4700, 4710. Hope you guys remember, because I have also posted on the groups as well. Finally we can see that okay, 4700 work, and right now market is struggling on 4700. In this situation, it seems that there is a high chance, okay, that gold will be going down further. So things are, yeah, again confusing, and obviously, okay, we are struggling with gold again. We also discuss about buying around 4760, 4750 yesterday, but when the time came, I saw the market just bounced for a few minutes, and after that market broke. That's why I always tell you guys that okay, confirmation is always important. Okay, only buy when market shows price rejection from above, and that's why I always repeatedly tell you guys that do not trade blindly, because a chart may have 10 to 12 trading opportunities, but only one or two may be good trades. So here we saw yesterday that okay, when market started falling, okay, 4760, 4750 did not work, and ultimately our strongest support, which was 4700, 4710, it worked. I took buy and also exited, and now waiting for the next trade. Okay, let's not waste time and discuss about the trading opportunities. Already I have posted on a group as well that, my dear friends, okay, if you're a positional trader, if you are holding buys on gold, you can be patient, because you can be on the trade for a couple of months and years, because you are a long-term trader. But if you're a swing trader looking for an opportunity for a few days, then obviously this is not the right time, because of the confusion, because of not knowing okay in which direction the market is moving. For example, if market starts going up, or if market takes a direction, clean direction, then as a swing trader you can look for a buy or sell. Or if market follows swings like this, then also you can ride the swings of the market. But when the trend of the market is not clear, okay, it becomes difficult. So as a result, stick to the levels. Either be a positional trader where you can hold your position for a couple of months and years, or you can be a day trader where you can stick to the levels. And my friends, already have posted on a group as well. Then probably you must already know that the Strait of Hormuz is closed again. So you can see Iran shuts Hormuz after 100 missiles from Israel hit Lebanon in minutes. You can see Iran closes Hormuz after Israel strikes Lebanon with 100 missiles in 10 minutes. So it was the biggest attack on Lebanon. As a result, Strait of Hormuz is closed again. So please stay in touch with news, because things are not normal again. Yesterday there was a news of ceasefire, because of which we saw gold going up, dollar started falling. But now we can see that escalation, okay, building up again. So please be careful, because any news, okay, will again make the market grow crazy. Okay, and if you have any investments in stock market, then you should be more careful. Okay, now let's discuss the trading opportunities. So first and foremost, my dear friends, 4700. Okay, so 4700 right now acting as a support, but there is a possibility that market may go down from here. Why? Because market is consolidating, and we can see that there is a selling pressure here. So if you want, you can look for a sell below 4700 during the day. But as I have already posted on a group as well, it is risky. Why it is risky? Because you need to understand that as the market is overall not in downtrend, okay, so there is a possibility of SL hunting or liquidity grab, means after taking a sell position there is a possibility that market may go up again. If that happens, you will be trapped. So when to sell? You can only sell if you see that during the European session or US session there is a big red candle, then you can sell. And if you do not want to take any risk, then you can avoid. At this moment, I have no intention of taking a sell position below 4700 because right now I don't see much volume and I do not want to be trapped. So after liquidity grab, if you want to buy, yes, if you want to go for a buy, you can buy as well. One level, two trading opportunities, it depends on the scenario. If market drops with big red candle, we can look for a sell below 470, 4699, or after liquidity grab, if market goes up, you can look for buy above 4700. So 4700, yeah, danger level. And if market goes down, we can also look for a buy around 4660. So this is our next support on the chart of gold. Not a very strong support, but yeah, if market goes down with low volume, small candles, 4600 is a level where you can look for a buy position. The best support is again a round number, which is 4600. If market drops with high volume, big red candles, this is a level where you can look for a bounce. Otherwise, small candles, low volume, 4600 is the support where we can expect a one-time bounce. Why are we expecting one-time bounce on a 4660? Let me show you. Because you can see FIBO, more or less FIBO is doing a good job. FIBO worked here, FIBO worked here, FIBO worked here. So our next FIBO level is 4660. So as a day trader, if market takes support, at least we can expect one green candle, isn't it? So here, so 4600 is the next support level where you can expect one green candle. I am not talking about trend reversal here. We are just expecting one or two green candles where you can look for a buy. But if it still doesn't work, due to high selling pressure, the next support will be around 4600. Okay, and as I have already mentioned, be careful, my dear friends, around 4700, around this support area, because there can be some liquidity grab. So if you see that market is dropping with high selling pressure, then only take a sell. And if you want to buy after liquidity grab, you can buy. Suppose market made a low of, let's say, 4690. Okay, and you see market going up again. So you can buy when market will cross again 4700. So it means after SL hunting, market is going up. So if you want, you can, if you wish, you can enter. So these are the levels where you can look for a buy or sell if market drops. Okay, be careful with the selling. Do not sell unless there is high selling pressure. And if market goes up, as a day trader, we can look for a sell around 4800, then 4770. We are looking for a sell around 4770 because the previous support will be working as resistance here, and we are looking for sell around 4880 because market dropped from here, means it is a resistance. We have sellers present around here, plus it's a round number. So if market shows price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. As we all know, market is a little uncertain, dicey right now. Do not trade blindly, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, only take a buy or sell position or any position when you are convinced, and please follow proper risk management. So here, if you see that gold is showing price rejection from above around 47707172 area, then only hit the sell button. Or if you see market is struggling around 4880, market is okay, showing reversal signs, then only hit the sell button. If you see that there is a big green candle at 4800, there is a news, use your common sense. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold. Still, we are not very sure about the trend of the market here, because overall the trend of the market is bullish, as we all know, my dear friends. On higher time frame, we can clearly see the market is going up. So position traders, you can hold your buy position, but swing traders, as I have already mentioned, be careful. Not an ideal time for swing traders because the trend of the market is not very clear, as well as we do not have clear swings in the market. Okay, and day traders, stick to the levels. Okay, so let's wait and watch. If anything crazy happens, you will get an update in the free Telegram community. If you are still not a part, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.